From trees that outlive civilizations to stars that dwarf our entire solar system, these facts reveal the breathtaking scale of life and the universe. Nature, history, and science each hold wonders that challenge what we think we know. Let's dive into the final 15 facts and uncover the stories that make our world extraordinary. Venus spins on its axis so slowly that one full day lasts 243 Earth days, while its year, the time it takes to orbit the Sun, is only 225 days. This means a day on Venus is longer than its year. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Truly, Venus is a world of extremes, defying our sense of time and temperature. Every rotation feels like an eternity compared to Earth. Its slow spin is a reminder that the universe follows its own strange rhythms. Venus challenges our idea of what a planet should be. It is a fiery clock ticking to its own pace. Scientists continue to study Venus as a mirror of Earth's possible future. The planet teaches us that cosmic time is full of surprises and paradoxes. The Mponeng gold mine in South Africa plunges over 2.5 miles below the surface. Temperatures there can soar above 140 degrees Celsius, and miners must work in extreme conditions. Despite the danger, this mine has produced some of the richest gold in history. Truly, it is a reminder of humanity's determination to dig into the planet's depths. Every descent is a battle against heat and pressure. The mine is a symbol of both risk and reward. It proves that our search for resources pushes us into Earth's hidden worlds. Underground, humans chase treasures buried in silence and darkness. Safety systems must constantly fight the natural dangers inside. This mine proves that human ambition reaches even into the Earth's burning core. The world's tallest mountain is not frozen in time, it is still growing. Due to tectonic activity, Mount Everest rises about 4 millimeters every year. Its towering height already reaches over 29,000 feet, but it continues to stretch toward the sky. Truly, Everest is not just a monument of stone, but a living, shifting peak. Every year adds another chapter to its story. Climbers risk everything to stand at its summit, where Earth meets the heavens. The mountain proves that even giants are still changing. Everest is a reminder that nothing in nature is ever truly still. The Himalayas themselves are still being shaped by colliding continents. Everest stands as a silent storyteller of Earth's restless heart. In 1896, the Anglo-Zanzibar War became the shortest recorded conflict in history. It lasted only 38 minutes before Zanzibar surrendered to Britain. This tiny war shows that history doesn't always unfold in long battles. Truly, it is proof that power can shift in the blink of an eye. Every conflict tells a story of politics and human ambition, whether short or long. The brevity of this war makes it unforgettable. It is a reminder that history's records include not only great empires, but also quick decisions. Sometimes the most remarkable events are also the shortest. The war ended as quickly as a thunderstorm, yet its memory lasts over a century. It proves that time cannot measure importance, only impact can. Our skeletons may seem fragile, but bone is one of the strongest materials in nature. Ounce for ounce, it is stronger than concrete. Bones are made of collagen and calcium phosphate, combining flexibility with hardness. Truly, the human body is an engineering marvel. Every step we take rests on this natural framework. Our bones carry weight, protect organs, and repair themselves after injury. They prove that strength does not always come from metal or stone. Inside us, we carry natural architecture as strong as human inventions. Bones are silent guardians of life's structure, hidden yet vital. They even adjust their density depending on physical activity. Truly, our skeletons prove that living strength is greater than lifeless stone. Saturn, the gas giant with iconic rings, is so light compared to its size that it could float in water if a bathtub big enough existed. Its density is lower than that of water, making it unique among planets. Truly, Saturn is a giant made of gas and beauty. Its rings sparkle like cosmic jewelry, yet its body is lighter than expected. This fact reminds us that appearances deceive, even in space. Saturn's floating ability is a playful truth of science. The planet is a symbol of elegance and mystery, balancing lightness with grandeur. It proves that mass does not always equal heaviness. Saturn is a floating wonder in the vast seas of the cosmos. The Al-Qarawiyyin Library in Fez, Morocco, is considered the oldest continually operating library in the world. Founded in the 9th century, it has preserved manuscripts for over 1,100 years. Truly, this library is a treasure chest of knowledge, safeguarding wisdom across centuries. Its walls have seen scholars, travelers, and thinkers pass through. Every book it holds is a piece of history carried forward. The library proves that knowledge is humanity's true legacy. More powerful than weapons, it outlasts kingdoms and wars. It is a sanctuary where the past continues to speak. The library still welcomes readers today, proving wisdom never dies. It is a beacon of light from history, guiding minds into the future. In 1983, scientists at the Vostok Station in Antarctica measured the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth, 128.6 divers F. At such extremes, metal can shatter, and breathing the air is dangerous. Truly, Antarctica is a frozen frontier that tests the limits of survival. Every gust of wind there is sharper than ice. Its cold is more than a number. It is nature's ultimate silence. This record reminds us how fragile life is against the elements. Yet, even in such places, research continues. Scientists study its glaciers to understand climate change and its history. Antarctica's chill is both a danger and a teacher, shaping science at the edge of survival. Astronomers estimate that the observable universe contains more than 200 billion galaxies. That number is greater than all the grains of sand on every beach and desert of Earth. Truly, this fact humbles us, reminding us of how small we are. Each galaxy holds billions of stars, planets, and mysteries. The night sky is not just a canvas of lights, but an ocean of worlds. Every star we see is only the beginning. This truth makes the universe feel infinite. Galaxies remind us that creation stretches far beyond imagination. They are the silent oceans of the cosmos, holding endless worlds within. Truly, every glance at the stars is a look into eternity. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants on Earth. Under ideal conditions, it can grow up to 3 feet in just 24 hours. Truly, bamboo is nature's skyscraper, rising rapidly toward the sky. Its growth rate makes it a symbol of strength and resilience. Bamboo is used in construction, food, and even clothing. It shows that speed and utility can go hand in hand. Every shoot reaching upward is a story of ambition. Bamboo proves that nature builds with both beauty and efficiency. It is also a renewable resource, making it vital for the future. Bamboo teaches us that growth can be rapid, useful, and sustainable all at once. When the Statue of Liberty was unveiled in 1886, it wasn't green. Made of copper, it shone with a reddish-brown surface. Over time, the metal reacted with air and moisture, forming a green patina. This natural coating now protects the statue from corrosion. Truly, the Statue of Liberty is more than a monument. It is a living chemistry experiment. Every change of color marks the passing of time. The statue's green glow is not its original design, but its earned identity. It stands as a reminder that transformation is also protection. The color change also reflects patience. True beauty sometimes takes time to appear. Lady Liberty teaches us that even change can be a shield of strength. Cows are not just simple farm animals. They have strong emotional bonds. Research shows that cows form close friendships with other cows and prefer spending time with them. When separated from their best friend, cows show signs of stress, including faster heartbeats and nervous behavior. Truly, this reveals the depth of animal emotions often overlooked. Every moo in the field may carry comfort, affection, or longing. Cows prove that friendship is not just a human trait, but a natural bond. Their loyalty mirrors the relationships we cherish in our own lives. Farmers who keep cows in pairs often notice calmer behavior. The bonds they form affect not only their happiness, but also their health. These friendships remind us to see animals as sentient beings. Honey is one of nature's greatest treasures, and astonishingly, it never goes bad. Archaeologists have discovered jars of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still edible. Its secret lies in its natural composition, low moisture and high acidity, which makes it nearly impossible for bacteria to grow. Truly, honey is liquid gold, lasting for eternity. Every golden drop carries sweetness preserved through time. It is more than food. It is nature's time capsule. From ancient rituals to modern kitchens, honey connects generations with taste and tradition. Its eternal shelf life makes it a wonder of both science and nature. Honey also holds healing properties, used for wounds and sore throats for centuries. Despite their name, peanuts are not true nuts. They belong to the legume family, along with beans, peas, and lentils. They grow underground, unlike almonds or walnuts that grow on trees. Truly, peanuts are nature's hidden gems, tucked beneath the soil. Every roasted handful is more science than snack. Their unique growth makes them one of the most fascinating foods we eat daily. Peanuts are also rich in protein, making them a vital food for millions worldwide. They connect cultures through peanut butter, sauces, and countless recipes. This small legume carries an enormous impact on diets and agriculture. Peanuts remind us that names can be deceiving. They are humble yet powerful, offering nutrition and taste in every bite. Farmers see peanuts as both a crop and a soil enhancer, as they help fix nitrogen. One of the simplest yet surprising facts is that apples float in water. About 25% of their volume is air, making them buoyant. This is why apple bobbing has become a fun tradition at festivals. Truly, apples are little balloons of sweetness carried by nature. Every crisp bite carries both flavor and science. Their airy structure makes them light in water but heavy in taste. Apples are more than fruit. They are cultural symbols of health, temptation, and tradition. From Newton's discovery of gravity to sayings like, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," this fruit has shaped human imagination. Floating apples remind us that food carries mysteries too. They are designed not only to feed, but also to spread seeds through nature's clever tricks. Truly, apples are life's floating jewels, easy to grow and loved worldwide. Every orchard is a story of abundance tied to these floating wonders. Apples prove that the simplest fruits hold the sweetest secrets. From Earth's tallest peaks to stars that dwarf our solar system, these facts show the true scale of nature and the universe. We discovered how bones are stronger than concrete, how honey lasts forever, and how apples float with hidden secrets. Each fact proves that wonder is everywhere, on land, in the sky, and even in the food we eat. The world is full of mysteries, waiting for curious minds to explore.